Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to list posts by category in WordPress, step by step, so your visitors can navigate your site more easily. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clean, organized layout that displays your categories and the posts within them. First, head over to your WordPress website and log in. You'll find the login button at the top right corner. For a quick sign-in, select Continue with Google and pick the account you want to use. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is where all the magic begins. From the dashboard, locate the Quick Links section and click on Edit Site. This will take you into the site editing interface. Here, look for the plus icon in the top left corner. This opens the menu where you can add new elements to your site. In the search bar, type Categories List. This will filter the available blocks so you can easily find the one designed to display categories and their posts. Click on it. And just like that, all your categories will appear on your site. The best part? Clicking any category instantly shows all the posts under it, making navigation intuitive and neat. Before finishing up, double check that your categories are displaying correctly. When everything looks good, hit the Save button at the top right to make your changes live. And that's it! You've successfully added a category-based post listing to your WordPress site. Your visitors will love the improved organization, and your site will look more professional and user-friendly than ever.